Have you ever received a message so thoughtful that it lingered in your mind all day? Now imagine being the one who sends that kind of message, the one that makes her smile before bed and keeps you in her thoughts even as she drifts into sleep. Today, I'm going to share 6 powerful goodnight messages that will do just that. These aren't your ordinary sweet dreams texts. Instead, they are carefully crafted to spark curiosity, create an emotional connection, and make her eager to talk to you again. Stay with me until the end because the final message is the most unexpected and impactful one of all. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. The Mystery Builder. Sleep well tonight. I have a feeling we still have so many interesting conversations ahead of us. Maybe we'll even have one in our dreams. Why does this work? It subtly tells her that your connection is just beginning, making her curious about what's next. It also plants the playful idea that she might dream about you, keeping you in her subconscious mind even as she sleeps. The playful tease. I hope you sleep peacefully, but fair warning, if you wake up tomorrow thinking about me, you'll know we're onto something. This message is both lighthearted and flirty. It encourages her to associate her morning thoughts with you, making her wonder if there's a deeper connection. And if she does wake up thinking about you, she'll be tempted to let you know. The confident prediction. Good night. I have this strange feeling you'll be dreaming about me tonight. Let's see if I'm right. Tell me tomorrow. This is a genius way to stay in her thoughts without being too obvious. By playfully predicting that she'll dream about you, you've already influenced her subconscious. Even if she doesn't dream about you, she'll still think about this message when she wakes up. The sweet, flirty combo. I hope you rest well and have the most beautiful dreams. But if I happen to make a guest appearance in them, let me know. This message is both warm and inviting, giving her a sense of comfort while also adding a touch of flirtation. It invites her to open up to you while making her smile at the playful idea of you being in her dreams. The subtle flirt. Sleep tight, but if you wake up tomorrow with an unexplained smile, you'll know exactly who put it there. This is an effortless way to plant yourself in her thoughts. By suggesting that she'll wake up smiling because of you, you're reinforcing the idea that you bring positivity and excitement into her life. And when she does wake up smiling, she'll immediately think of you. The invitation to connect. Good night. But if you find yourself wide awake thinking about something interesting, you know where to find me. This message does 2 things. It keeps the door open for a late-night conversation and positions you as someone she can confide in. It subtly lets her know that you're always available for her thoughts, making her feel comfortable and connected to you. Why these messages work. Each of these messages is designed to do more than just say good night. They create curiosity, excitement, and emotional connection, all while making her think about you. The key is to be lighthearted and intriguing, rather than just sending the usual messages that every other guy does. Now it's your turn. Try one of these messages tonight and see the difference in how she responds. Let me know in the comments how it goes. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. For more tips on building strong connections. Until next time, good luck and sweet dreams.